Vanilla gift card zip code, how to find. Now, if you have a vanilla gift card and you've been wondering how you can find its zip code or anything as such. Now, first of all, vanilla gift cards usually don't store or show zip code information. Instead, you can find the address associated with the vanilla gift card by simply going to the provider's website and entering the card number and security code. You can also update the billing address on a gift card on the website that issued it. The website address, phone number, or QR code for the website is usually on the back of the gift card. So how you purchase it, right? From the back, you will be able to see all of those details of your vanilla gift card. You can go to the website that issued the card to you, and then there you should be able to find your gift card. So I hope that this video helped you understand it. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.